Na kung saan, lagi nating sinasabi, kapag may contest, hindi po host ang dapat sisihin, kundi ang mga judges. Ayan. Sa kanila nakasalalay, yan yung mga score. So, our first judge, director. Adulan Talier, stage manager, ASM. Tanghalang Santa Ana, actor, director, technical director, ABS, GMA Productions Team. Tanghalang Filipino CCP Outreach Program Stage Manager. Youngest Technical Director at 19 years old. TV and movie appearances. Ito. SMB Lights Commercial with Dindong Dantes and Marian Rivera. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, palapakan natin ang judge number 1, Mr. Jocelyn TV. Artista pala si kuya mo, no? Di ba? Kasama na sa commercial ni Dong yan. Tapos may extra pa sa movie. Iba rin. Buti na lang kakilala natin to. Alright. Our next judge is a Zumba instructor. BS Accountancy Freshman Year Cheerleader, Junior and Senior High School Year Aerobics Choreographer and Leader, a member of dance groups in school days, and eldest among 3 siblings, a mother of 2 teenagers, and a native of Cotabato City, Mindanao. And she loves traveling solo and traveled to 13 countries lang naman. Yan. A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accounting and Financial Management at Notre Dame University in 2003. Here are her awards. Kindergarten valedictorian, consistent honor student in high school, employee of the month of Kidzania Artistic Department, and received nominations in Alshaya Recognition Club. And her work experiences is a short-term finance coordinator in ICT Department of Inasco Oil Company, Kidzania Artistic and Retail Department, Customer Service Agent, a former marketing executive of Claire's Middle East, and currently a supply chain merchandiser of Claire's Middle East. A Zumba instructor, network member since 2018. Zayao Kuwait International Auditor, and author of bylaws of Z Kuwait International, Rakitero Broadcasting in Health and Fitness Association in Kuwait. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our judge number 2, Miss Lady Hensen Salvatierra. Bigatin ang mga, hello best friend, sa haba ng bio. And now, our next judge, kilalang-kilala nyo na yan. Ayan. The owner, the manager, and the jack of all trades of Thomas Coffee, a very humble man. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Thomas. Okay, so napakilala natin ang ating mga judges. Sa kanilang mga kamay nakasalalay ang inyong mga scores. And here are our criteria for judging. Overall performance is 40%, creativity is 25%, stage presence is 25%, audience impact is 10%. Pasampol nga ng audience impact dyan. Ayan. Ano lang yan? 2%. Isa pa. Pasampol ng audience impact. Ayan. Yan ang 10%. With a total of 100%. Pero bago ang lahat, we would like to thank our sponsors. Thank you so much, Mr. Steve Silao, Miss Jenny Cruz, Miss Felma Asio, Mr. Chris Hernandez, LBC Cargo Kuwait, Far East International, Dreamcatchers Perfume, Grand Prince City, Lights Kuwait Online Boutique, Thomas Coffee, and Thomas Bookie. Thank you so much. And thank you also to our media partners, Tunog Pinoy Power FM, yes, DJ Chano, thank you. Kahit sino pwede, Rakitero Broadcasting, Techno Channel, Far East Express International Kuwait, Popoy Marque Asinas, La Roxy Nazar, Janine Gonzalez, Mac Jules Saladron, and Bruce on the Kumos Acosta. Thank you so much, guys. At syempre sa mga organizers natin, thank you, thank you. Are you ready for our first contestant? Yes! Ready na sila. Okay. So, itong unang ipapakita natin habang nagsiset up is ito isa sa mga na-miss natin na performance, ang Magic. Kaya pakitulungan na lang si nasan yung mga natin? Pakitulungan si Sir i-akyat yung kanyang luggage. Ayan. Dito lang Sir sa gitna. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our contestant number 1, Mr. Mark Anthony. Palakpakan naman!